Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of an arm as seen from the side. So we're going to use an area to work in, somewhere along those lines. Now let's do a smaller circle there for the shoulders or the delts. Upper arm, elbow, forearm, fist. So here we go. So right around there. If you Google images of arms, you'll find different variations, but one thing for sure that works is the arm that is slightly developed. So what this helps do is tap into more features, more practice, and of course you could apply some of that to an arm that is not as developed, and it would actually work quite wonderfully. Now we're putting in, so let's say that there's a light source coming in and it's darker on this side, lighter on this side. So we will just put in some popularly used tones and shadows that help build up. So as you see that along the bulges, along the deeper angles, as in right under the delts, there's a slightly more concentrated shadows just under the horseshoe of the triceps here, slightly more concentrated, going deeper into the biceps there, slightly more concentrated, and then of course there are the internal tones, for example along the tubing on the forearms. And then intensifying the work around the bulge of the triceps on the outside. So it's all like just really a lot of practice, and still like there will be errors. You will keep thinking that I can keep on improving this thing, like every time you hit it, every time. So but as long as you have the core details working for you, core as in that, for instance, if you have the essential shadows going down where they belong, where they should be darker and where they should be lighter. a few of them, you will find that you will be able to nail the arm. You'll be able to, let's say in this case, arm yourself much better. And as I mentioned, you'll just keep on improving every time you keep doing this. But that is the quick core essential tones and values that you put into the arm from the side. I'm going to do a bit of dirty smudge work here, and just to highlight and mix up certain tones, and there we have it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.